the lightning of a million screams, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rising, let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might.
Good morning. Today is October 22nd, 2024. Good morning. Nice little break this morning. We were down 100 and something points earlier, and we have since moved up. Let me get Michael going. Okay, you should be live. Yep, gotcha.
Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
Hello? Okay, cool.
There you go. All right, good morning. October 22nd, 2024. I don't know if people could hear me before. Such a challenge to get this stuff up in the morning. Yoko, first one in. Good morning. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? There we go. There we go. Okay. All right, so we were down. Ooh, I don't know how many points we were down, but they were down. Almost 150, 160 points. This morning, we started right in here, hit the low. That's our 15-minute opening range break low. 15-minute opening range break high, right around there, 458. And we made that nice little move up. We had a lot of garbage in here. We had the midnight opening, or midnight opening trade, Eastern time, 468. We had the 50% overnight move, 452. We had pivot right here at 479. I mean, so, man, just a lot of stuff, and it pushed right up through everything. Took a little bit right in here, but still not bad. If you played this little breakout right here, it would have been a nice one. So, that's what we got this morning. Oh, I know what I did. This is what I did. Move tab to new window. There we go. All right, now I can watch everything. All right, so we got a little 5-minute short going from 496. if you're playing the 5-minute, drop back below 500 and could have taken that. That was already worth 10 points. I missed that. Dang it. I love playing the 5-minute. We got initial balance up here so far at 520, 521, 520, 75, something like that. And then we have the low down here at 369. So what are we going to do? I don't know. My guess is, I don't know. We got a lot of support right in here. So, I mean, just this whole area is just a lot of garbage. A lot of stuff. You know, because I could even throw a box, a support box, you know, down something like this. And it would be a pretty good range from 480 to 430. So if I'm playing, oh, we're going to drop the pivot. It looks like we dropped the pivot. That would have been a good short. 497. I was just wasn't watching while I was doing other things. All right, let's look at the 15-minute chart real quick. And there's your 15-minute. How much time we got left? 6 minutes left. Yeah. Let's just do something like that. See what happens. So 15-minute. Look at the range we're in. Ever since the 17th, we've been in this whole area right here, probably longer than that. Yeah, look at that. Since the 10th.
Just came down and wicked on that open, midnight open.
Yep. You see it? So we're just in this big range. All right, let's look at the 5-minute. There we go. As Michael just said, we came down and wicked at the midnight opening and shot up from 467, you know, almost 20 points, I think. The 5-minute, this would have been a great short. I was playing with my charts, opening up YouTube, so I missed that. We probably came back up. Usually the last minute, you come back up, retest it. I mean, normally, sometimes I would just jump in right here and just take this. But I'm going to hold off right now. Let's see how this candle closes. Let's go. Right now, we're up, 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 up. Almost end away, but not quite. 60 minutes still pointing down. So just to give my overall... Ooh, I need to turn on my bot. I didn't turn him on yet. There we go. All right, so right now we have 4 out of the 5 pointing up. So there's a 5-minute gap. See if we close that. There we do, pushed up through it. So what is that? 97. See if we can get down to 87. Right about there. Still have lots of time. 3 minutes 30 seconds on the 5 minute. I'd like to see a move down to 87. Right about there. But there you go. Almost there. Come on, you can do it. Two minutes left. The longer we stay here, the more bullish it is. That might be it. And move back above 504 would be bullish. Let's see what they do with this one. Oh, let me set my thing up. Let's go with there, and let's go with, there you go. So what would that be, 504? Last minute, see if they tank it. Yep. Huh, little inside candle. $465. So that would be right about there. I don't know, let's go to 2 minute chart. Oh. All right, it's 10:30. So I would do something probably like that. Little wick above. See if I can get that move up. Got IB right there, 519. That would get us above the top control there. That's still probably a long right there. Having a little difficulty getting above that top control, top of CPR. Kind of like this little area right here. Kind of like this little area right there. That's right here. I just do the bodies. Let's see what our favorite stock in the world is doing. NVIDIA. NVIDIA's coming down a little bit. Let's see if it breaks 143.30 and also 143.17. It could be a reddish type of move on NASDAQ. So I'll keep my buys up there just because. But NVIDIA's getting ready to break the first line, first basically 15-minute previous candle wick. So let's see what happens there. Let's just go up. Let's just give it all the wicks. How's that? NVIDIA's trying to hold. How's everybody doing today? So we had some nice action in the beginning, and then we just kind of come to a little crawl. 5 minutes not giving me much. Look at the 15 real quick. 15's not giving me much. We got an inside candle so far. Need to break out above 518. Every time we bust above that line, it kind of brings it back down. I'll get rid of that box. Good action for the first half hour, I would say. And then not much since then. Where am I at? Ooh. Ba-dum-ba-bum. Okay, we're just kind of waiting. See if this little flag plays out. You know, guy could do something like this. Yeah, maybe something like that. Little move down. What we gonna do? See if we do the old fakeroo. I don't know. Well, 50-50 chance, Michael. Up or down? Huh? Can't hear me? There we go, Donald. Thank you. He says down. We're going to go down. All right. I could see that. Let's see. Oops. Let me see the 15-minute. Well, I'm just not. How much time we got left? 5 minutes left on the 15-minute. The candle's really not doing it. Nothing. It's an inside 15-minute candle so far, I think, from what I can tell from Trading View. 3 arm lengths away from me on a screen. But right now, the 1 minute and the 2 minute, we're just kind of hanging out.
No?
Yeah, what's that? Yeah, I guess you can't hear me. All right, if we drop back below 481, I like the short. New 5 minute. Drop below 480 and I'll take a short on my oh, I'm already enabled. Here's my take profit trader account. I got a short. If I take the short, it'll be at 480.25. Let's see what happens. We got to bust past these, not bust, but just go past these 2 wicks here is what I was thinking. You know, if I look at them really close. But right now I really don't have, I mean, it's a new candle, so I'll let it go a little bit. There we go. Yeah, you're set up here on my side, Michael, to talk.
Yeah, I know. I just want to make sure you can hear me, right?
Oh, you can hear me now. You didn't hear me before though.
Yeah, I couldn't hear you before.
Okay. Yeah, I was just checking.
You were coming through like twice, like an echo, but it never.
How about now? Better?
Much better.
Okay.
Yeah, you were faint.
All right, so 480.25, and I'll take that short on my take profit account. 480.25. I don't know if I missed it on this side. Hasn't triggered yet. What's that?
It feels like, yeah, I mean, I think you've got to get below maybe 78.
78. All right, I can see 78. That prior green candle wick.
You've got the pivot. You showed it, yeah, like right there.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can break the pivot and then there you go.
Come on, give me 462. Come on down. Oh, turd. The close is below the pivot. You're selling on what side time frame, Donald? 1 minute, 5 minute, 2 minute? Okay. All right. Picked up a couple hundred there. Okay, now we're in this gobbledygook. Midnight opening, 15-minute over, which we just ticked the 15-minute opening range break high. We hit the 1 minute weighted moving average. Yep. Coming back up to close the gap on the 5 minute. That's at 480. Oh, we did that. Still have a lot of time on the 5 minute. See if we can get down below the 1 minute weighted moving average. Below the midnight opening trade. Trying to get below the 15-minute opening range break high. Now we got the 50% opening overnight trade. What's that?
Yeah. Target below this 449.
Yeah, I like 435 potentially. Donald, good sell, good short. I'm thinking that you're on it. I'm playing with my my PA account, and with you're not seeing that. Come on, baby, get down there. Trying to break below the pivot? No. What is that? Nope, that's bottom control. Is that what you're saying, Michael? Get down below that?
Yeah, because then you're below the blue zone and
Yep.
below the CPI.
Yep.
If you can get below 41.
I'm with you.
Only for 50%. Yeah.
Yep. Come on, baby. Oh, took me out. Okay. I need $80. $80 to pass my take profit trader. $80. All right. So what are we going to do now? I'm not doing anything until we get below VWAP here. My first thought we were going to come down here at around to this buy gap and close it out, but we've already did that, I think. Right in here. So if we drop down below bottom control, then I'm thinking bear's last stand, and then we could come all the way down here to target 1, which we missed this morning. Take out the lows. Got to get below here though first. 449. Good job, Donald. Yeah, there's no reason to, well, I don't see anything yet except for this 5-minute candle, which I'm not a big fan of. A big resistor type candle. If I look at the 5-minute real quick, you can see that little guy there. That'd be the only thing that really would caution me, and I would have to get out above 477.50. So that's that. All right, go back to 2-minute. So far, we've came back up above the midnight opening. We're back up above the 15-minute opening break high. We do have a sell gap here, 5-minute at 477 to 481. Okay, it's fair. I always look at, for my exits, I always look for the previous 5-minute candle high. Because if I'm short, usually I'm following those 5-minute wicks down. Okay, you still have 3 minutes left. Let's see, what is that? 464.50. If we come back to here, I think I'm going to be, I'll try another short. Hopefully we just don't wick down there and grab me. Now I could, should I take the long? That's the question now. Right? Because basically there was the long right there. So we did wick back above that. So I could take, ooh, a little short, a little slow. Maybe they tried to get everybody short there and now they're going to take it to them. I'm going to just come up here and just have a very tight stop. I'm only within $500 on this eval. I don't really want to give it much latitude, but I still think it's a long. I don't know why I got out there. I'll give it a little bit more room. Come on, baby, get up there. You know, watch out for this resistance somewhere up here around 490. And come on, baby, you can do it. Got right up to that. Don't reject. Come on. Again, I'm playing just too tight, I think. I'm just going to get taken out. Here, let me move this line out of the way so it can cruise on up there. Because that's how powerful those trend lines are. Come on, baby, let's go. Let's get a move on. We do have a 1 minute gap fill down to 475 potential. Come on, see that? I moved that trend line and it's taking it. Okay, here we go. I'll lock in 10, so 80, 93. Can't really do it yet, but I can lock in 91. I'll see if I can get to 93 if we don't get taken out. Let's go. Keep going. There we go. Nope. Turned. It's all right. Couple $100 here, couple $100 there, 150 here, 100 there. Guess I should have taken this trend line out of the way too, but I want to see him push up through that first. All right. Still got a lot of time on this 5 minute candle. And I have no problem taking something like this. See if we close that 5 minute gap down around 478. I don't know if we get that low. One minute gap down to 475. Yeah, I just don't know if they want to go that low. That's a good trade, Donald. How much did you pick up on that, Donald? On that short? On your short. Come on, baby, let's go. Ouch. Okay, got a little rejection off that. Not the quickest action today. Just kind of meandering. Just kind of meandering. Okay, very nice. Good trade. Hey, it doesn't matter if you're playing minis or, you know, the micros or the minis. So you're playing micros, yeah. So, I mean, you know, the idea is, I always think of, no matter what I play, my goal is to establish confidence in my thinking and in my trading, right? Our new 5-minute candle here. We've got to get above, for me, we've got to get above 506 or so. You know, right above here. But anyway, it just establishes, you know, maybe 503. The confidence in the thinking process, right? To get your confidence to go to the minis. So to me, I take playing the micros just as serious as I do playing the minis. In fact, I play them the same way. I don't give them extra space. I give my 10-point stop. I mean, I trade the way I trade, no matter if I'm trading micros or minis. It doesn't matter.
Trading 40 micros is still a good start. Four minutes, yeah.
What, 40 micros? Yeah. I mean, you're trading 4 minis.
Exactly. Yeah.
But I think he got, I took it as he got 40 points or 40 ticks. I'm not sure which one.
Oh, okay.
Looks like 40 points, I was thinking. Maybe he is trading 40 micros. I don't know. All right, so if you get a close above 505. Yeah, I mean, I think anywhere, once we bust through that trend line, it's probably not a bad play. Like if I go buy stop, if I'm not too late. Here we go. A lot of times I'll even give up a couple points just to, I don't want to just get wicked out. All right, that's 15-minute. Not a whole lot of confidence on the 15. NVIDIA. just kind of hanging out. It opened at 142, roughly 142.88, and we're at 143.40. So just kind of doing the same thing we're doing here, not much. All right, getting close to that breakout. See if we can cruise up there above IB. That's the question.
Yep, it's top of the CPR. This is the next picture.
Yep. Dang, it's one of those days I can't get my PA to get positive. Come on, baby, get up there. No matter what trade I take, just doesn't work out.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to stop trading it here. This is my last trade. Come on, baby, break up. You can do it. Oh, no, you can't. You can do it. Nope. Another little fakey. Coming down to the, let's see. Yeah, the last two 5-minute candles are this one and this last one. It's just not a whole lot of confidence there. To the upside, all I'm seeing is these wicks. Right? So you can almost do something like this. Huh. Well, let's get rid of this. Let's put this like this, which I think would just be a fake. I mean, if I was playing this, I would have drawn it this way. I don't know. I'll let it play out a little bit this time. Let's see, I got 9 minutes left on a 15 with NVIDIA. And that actually is looking a little bullish. Potential bullish. Taking a little more of a conservative approach today. I'm not sure why, but I just am. Probably because of price action. But if you look at this, you can look at this 2-minute chart and kind of almost got an M pattern looking to it. There's a 5-minute buy gap we're coming into. But we got a whole lot of junk down here for support. So that's that. All right, was that the little flush out?
Nice reaction in the death there. It's a good feature.
Yeah. One of these is going to go, just not sure which one.
The one that I'm not in.
Well, that's what I was thinking. It's going to be the one that I'm not in. Mm-hmm.
You know?
All right, let's see what happens. Let's see. I almost jumped in there. Glad I didn't. 15-minute NASDAQ. There's just nothing to write home about.
Yeah. Stuck in front of the CPR, you need to get out of there. Otherwise, you're just going to get fucked up.
Yeah. Here, let's look at, see where the 15-minute is. Yeah, it's just nothing. It's just nothing good. I mean, potentially bullish. If we get back above 503 again, we should take off. We have 6 minutes, so it's either going to do something or it's not. Here's the 5-minute. The 5 minutes just nothing. I got nothing.
Trouble.
Yep. I mean, you got that trend line, and that's about all you got. I mean, I got another trend line on the bottom here, but I could probably just go from here. But even then, that's something like this, right? So that means we moved over, and potentially it could be potentially bearish. So I could do something like this and say, okay, well, let's try just this little short wave, and that would be my cue. Or I can just get rid of that and just go, well, let's see how that fits. My 15-minute short is way down at 20,461. So I'll have to watch this for a little while if I want to take it. Well, it's going to be right here if we take out this point here. 461, right in here. That's the 15-minute. Pretty close. Here's what I'll do. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Actually, I'll just leave that display there, and it'll be faster if I do it this way. All right, 15-minute. All right, we're on the 15-minute, so I wouldn't take it out until it got to here. Bottom control. That's where we bounced last time. We also took out and retested this trend line, right? It's about the same time. So 15-minute wise, besides something like that, which doesn't do me a whole lot of good here. It would have to be something like that. All right, so we got to get past bottom control for me to go short. That's what I'm thinking. Depends on how aggressive you are. If you drop below the pivot, maybe drop below the 1-minute weighted moving average, might be able to catch something a short there. If not, you're going to have to wait till we bust out of this trend line, I guess. Maybe even something like that.
Pivot to 79, it's also the 1 minute.
Uh-huh. Oh, I can't go 5 there.
Huh?
Oh, I couldn't go 5. My thing over there was set up for 5 short. I would do something like that. Even though the correct answer might be to take this short here at 86. Right, where are we at now? 80. But there's just too much support here. So let's get below the 1-minute weighted. Let's get below the pivot, which we're right now. Thing is, if I wait till we get down here, I've eliminated all this crap here.
Correct.
You got VWAP right at bottom control also. Just a whole lot of garbage. So we wait. So this might not be a bad short right there. Depends on how aggressive you are.
Goes back above the 1 minute pivot line. Yeah. Only staying up, stay below 1 minute and 2.
Oh, so Don, you're playing one contract. I got you. $40. Okay.
This contract is a good idea.
Yep. Can you hear that music?
Yep.
Is it too loud?
No, I can hear it. No, it's not so loud.
I'll turn it down a little. So this was just an AI song that was, I think it took me like 5 minutes to get it made. $455.75. All right, we're close. I mean, if I'm trading off the 5-minute candle, I can go short below 471. I could have taken, well, you can take all these, right? At 490, 483. All right, we can get a 5-minute gap up to 483. Yeah, that might be as high as it's going to get. Well, they really don't want to take it down. Well, that's the kind of shit you get right there. That was a wicked candle. $71, $92. Just a quick little 20-point little candle. And that's why I'm waiting. Kind of an ugly day.
So if you commit it, if you set the either way,
Yeah.
that's why I think you have to wait till you break out that bottom of the stock.
Yep. That was just a wicked 5-minute candle. Took out the previous candle's high and the previous candle's low. Got a potential reversal candle in the 5-minute. Came right down to the midnight opening Eastern Standard. Bounce. Here's what I'm so nice little bounce there. Yep, just garbage. Normally I would say this would be a reversal candle. We took out the lows there, we took out the high here, and now we're taking out its lows.
Yeah.
It's like, okay, so we're not following any playbook. Or if we are, they didn't give it to me.
I think it feels like the market, I mean, the NASDAQ is kind of, it's almost like I kind of like NVIDIA. In the paper.
15 minutes looking bearish, so.
Yeah, no, yeah, it did come down. I think that's the low. You know how we knocked it down to the bottom of the cruiser?
Yeah. See if we can make our way down to VWAP.
Yeah, I'm not touching this.
Nope, just watching.
Now we can load them up with them.
Okay. Beautiful. Just got my other $80 for Take Profit Trader. So now that'll be a pro account tomorrow.
Sometimes the hardest one to get.
Yep. I took 140 off it and gave me 53,055. So here's my Take Profit Trader, 53,055. So it's had to get above 53. I already got the 5 days of trading. Another wicked candle. So this is just wickedness in here, right? There's just So much support, resistance.
It's a slot machine. Yeah? Take your money.
What's that?
It's a slot machine.
Yep. Almost got the VWAP, didn't quite make it. Okay, see if we can bust back over the pivot, right? Yep.
Mm-hmm. 1 minute correction. 581.
I'll go back to 2 minute. Okay, I need to close this guy out now, so I don't do anything silly. Oh. Okay. There's the long. Potential long, I should say. See if we get above that 1 minute weighted moving average. That would be the long.
Yeah, we could put you above the borderline. There you go. Oh, little one. Oh.
Nope, can't make it.
No. No. Not yet. Oh, no. Could be a perfect number there.
Yeah, it needs to be. We need like a big boner run. Just fly through the air, baby.
Yep. It's 15.4.
Oh, I was looking for like a 25 pointer.
Well, 25's got to start at 15 first.
All right, so we need to get above 496. There we go. Come on. And then the next, it's got to get above 494, I should say, probably. Somewhere close to there. Yep, same one. 96, 94.
That's actually it's I wish I had a micro on a micro. Feels like it wants to go off there.
Yeah.
Easy. Oh.
Come on, you can do it. Boy, if you're long, sure doesn't give you a whole lot of confidence, does it?
No. Any of these trades, so makes you feel uneasy. There we go. Boom.
Okay. Wow. Just nothing. All right, 45 seconds on this 5 minute. Let's see what our old pal NVIDIA is doing. NVIDIA is not looking so healthy. In fact, NVIDIA is not looking healthy at all. Come on, baby, let's go. You can do it. Get to the moon. Nope. All right. So let's go back to here. Well, not much happening.
No. Not. No. Yeah, we just got the, what do you call it,
NVIDIA's coming down. So it means we should probably come down with it, I guess.
It'd have to come down more.
I mean, you probably have a nice little channel here.
Yeah.
I don't know, I got so much stuff in the way.
Yeah. Yep, give yourself the reason to talk yourself out of a trade.
Yep. NVIDIA is our proxy, so what NVIDIA does, we should do. If NVIDIA breaks, it's at 142.91, breaks the 15-minute candle at 142.80. Ba-dum-bum. Might be able to get a move. NVIDIA's low is 141.78. So maybe we'll go down there and revisit.
A lot of books, things on there. Okay.
Yeah.
It's good stuff. It's just doing exactly what it's into.
Yeah. We can look, cycle the charts around, go to the 5 minute, just ugly. Maybe we're just coming down to retest this guy. Kiss him goodbye. We go long, indicator said 454. That would have been not bad. 454, 50, 60 points. I mean, if I take this and go, you know, realistically, something like that. On the 5 minute, kind of your 5 minute channel. Nope, there was a short there at 475.
I think we have
475. We're kind of slappy.
Facebook
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, just stay out, John. What are you doing? Just stay out.
Yeah. Stay out of this stuff.
Yeah, we're just not following any rules. Okay.
Pretty disciplined soldier and not take
All right, let's go to 15. We can get rid of this. Yeah, just a lot of garbage. And I could move this up to here.
$20 points up and $20 points down from there.
Yeah.
So we do it.
All right. Good morning, Stephen. $454 to $521. That's a 60-point range. Yeah, that's all right. Here, let me try that again. Yeah, it's just hard to look at this stuff. Too much data. Let me turn off some of this stuff. I'm going to take out that. That'll work. Main thing is the pivot, which is at 479.
Yes.
Just clean the charts up a little bit. Daily pivot. Okay, sorry, let's take him down a little bit. He's still a little too big. There we go. I don't know if that made it any better. A little cleaner.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
Triangles coming to an end on the 5-minute, potentially. Got the same one on the 2-minute. It's just probably a little bigger. I'd probably even do something like that. Well, I guess we're waiting for news or something. Shit.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. It feels like it's waiting for something big, you know?
Yeah. I don't know what it's waiting for, but. Well, we're covered. If we go long and it's bullish, we should get hit on this guy. If it's bearish, then we should get hit on that one. So.
Yeah.
I would actually like this short. I would probably actually like this to be below VWAP. You know what I mean? Problem is, what am I giving up there? 30 points. Okay. So, I mean, I cycled through the charts. They're just all garbage. 15-minute. I mean, you can do the same thing on the 15. Five-minute. I mean, we literally are not moving. Let me see. Let me make sure there's no news or nothing coming up, huh?
Is
Bowman speaks at, that's tomorrow.
there's today was a lot of the ECB and Bank of England and
Okay.
a lot of ECB stuff.
All right, here's the ES 4-hour candles. They close that gap. There's another gap up here. Must be from Sundays. No. What day? Last night? Let me go to NQ. Got too much noise in there. That's why I like ES. I think it's just because I don't have anything plotted on there. All right, so tomorrow we got existing home sales, crude, Bowman. Yep. Okay. Well, let's get back to a 2-minute chart. Well, we are coming to an end, it looks like. Stephen, good morning. Yep, nasty, Ian. Nasty morning. All right, so we got getting a little break here. I'm not going to take that break because sometimes you get, sometimes you get this move, right? You get that failed breakdown and then a move up. So I'll give it a little bit of space. So you got the midnight open. That's what we just hit. Midnight opening. So New York midnight the midnight opening. I always struggle when I say that. You got the 15-minute opening range break high right here at 458. And we have the overnight. That was all pre-market 50% at 51. So I look at that and I say, oh, looks like a lot of support. We also have, the daily pivot. Bottom control for the CPR is right in there also. Here, I'll draw it on another chart. And that's basically bottom control right down here. So the CPR, here's your pivot. Here's the top of it. Here's the bottom of the central pivot range. So just nasty. Just a lot of support, a lot of resistance, I guess. That's why we just sit and wait. I think somebody once said 90% of trading is watching.
Mm-hmm. That's a famous quote, famous saying, right?
What's that?
It's that famous saying, rather be on the sidelines wishing I was in the trade than in the trade wishing I was out of it.
Yeah, that's right. That's a very good point. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you could help out by pushing the like button or subscribe button, it basically just helps the channel to get views and, I don't know, some kind of ranking. I never did look that up. I do probably need to see what does that do to the algos? How much does it affect it? Irregardless of whether you like what you see or not. I mean, you just need to have thumbs up, I guess.
How many like buttons are there?
Huh?
How many likes get up today?
8.
Yeah, I have to refresh it.
It's all good. Doesn't really matter.
Yeah, just curious. 9.
Thanks, Steven. I'll throw you some confetti there, but there you go.
There's your little fake down.
So, little fakey move down.
Yeah.
See if we bust out 490. Should I take that along there? 491? Huh?
Said you get more likes if you had a Lamborghini in the back.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey now.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if this busts out this way. Come on.
Mm.
Let's get some excitement. Look at that. Some things happen as soon as I throw out some confetti. Come on. I'll throw out more confetti. Let's go. And the only bad thing is you got a 1 minute opening or 1 minute gap fill down at 479 now. Yeah. That means I can take a lot of heat. Well, in fact, huh?
Yeah, I think continue mute the gap.
Yeah.
What if, maybe they just go back to the 1 minute. No, don't fill the gap.
Yeah. That's what I'm hoping on. See what happens. Let's see what happens. Realistically, my stop should be around 466, but I'd rather just take the loss.
Yeah, the video can bounce up at
Yep. Yep. Come on, NVIDIA, bust up. Getting stuck at VWAP. Oh, they're going to come down and get me. Come on, stay up there. All right, still got these sells and this buys. I'm going to leave those up there. Oops, I can't do that. I can move this one. I'm not in love with this trade. I don't like it at all. But let's see what happens. See if we can push back up. Come down to the 1 minute. See if that can hold. If not, it's going to fill this gap down here at, I don't know, 479, 477. I guess I could move just down below that, but I don't really like the trade. I'll stick with my 10-point loss.
Yeah.
Now, if it holds this, I'll be a little perturbed. Yeah, Ian, I think so too. I don't have it on this chart just because there was just too much noise right in here. But if you look at my, if I show it on the 5-minute here, there it is. Here's top control up here, bottom control down here. It's so messy you can't even see it. But I got them labeled over here. Here's the support we're in. Here's the bottom control, top control, pivot. I just wanted a little cleaner chart on the 2-minute to show. All right, maybe it was a double faking. I think it's just garbage, all it is.
You see that a lot, huh? You break out of it at the top.
Yep.
And then overshoot, and then come down and you break out the bottom, and vice versa.
Yeah. This could be down here too. Maybe something like that. No. So I think my targets will be, if we come down here and it gets explosive, my targets are, I think, 20 and 30? Yeah, I think 20 and 30. Break of IB, I'd take that for 20 and 30. If we break down below bottom control, 449. No. Yeah. 449.25.
Yeah.
I guess this would be somewhat bearish if we do get through all this garbage. The midnight open, the 15-minute opening range break, the overnight low 30%, and VWAP.
Yep, correct.
One would think we would be a little bearish. Well, what a beauty. What are we trading in? Like a 53, 40 point range. Blue, blue. Wow. Haven't seen price action this good since last summer.
What was that?
I said I haven't seen price action this good since last summer.
Yeah, last August, yeah. It is, it's hanging like it's freaking August.
Yep. Okay, we're at the 15-minute opening range break high. Yoo-hoo. Where's the 30-minute high?
Yeah, 479.
Oh, yep. Yep, just ugly. Sometimes that 30-minute is just like the 15, pretty good. Yep, lots of junk. That's just the best way to describe it. There's just so much noise right in here. We just got to either work through it . Can we get a little trend line going, maybe? All right, about a 4-second delay, not bad. Not bad. Got a couple of little skip frames detected, 25% over the last 2 minutes. That was an hour ago. So the quality is not too bad. I like it. Your stream quality is good. That's all it tells you. All right, looks like we're getting close to that 50%. See if that holds or breaks down. Also VWAP right there.
Yeah. Don't forget what time it is.
Lunchtime?
Yep.
That's how confident of the trade I am. I went down to one contract.
But I'm like, exactly, I'm no comfort.
All right, we're at VWAP. 50% overnight. See if I can get a little more visuals.
If you like, no. How much I love you.
What's that?
How much I love you.
Oh yeah. Love trading in and above it, out of it. That's why I kept moving my sell stop down. It's like, you know, I want to make sure we clear VWAP first.
And exactly what I think. You don't want to be too close because you want to be the wick.
Mm-hmm. It's trying. It's trying to do it. You can do it. Or maybe it can't. Well, the 50% pre-market overnight seems to have held. So far. Just closed the 5-minute gap. Almost took that. Darn it. But we're just hanging out. Atrocious. This is atrocious. Ian, you in anything? Ian, are you playing anything? You short or long? Oh, Streamlabs shit. Will patience pay off? That's the question. Maybe Ian's lost connection. Yeah, I haven't lost it once yet. Better knock on some wood. He's having internet problems. Oh. Yeah, just ugly. Sorry guys, but I don't talk a lot. I don't talk about other traders. I don't talk about the prop firms. I know that's how you get views and stuff, but to me, as far as traders go, I mean, everybody has their own way of trading. I can't tell you theirs is better than mine. I can't tell you theirs is worse than mine. And prop firms, you know, it's just a matter of if you like them or not. You know, Apex is the behemoth out there, and I've never had a problem with them. I've learned to like Take Profit Trader. Here recently. Probably within the last month. I like their payouts. I like to be able to make money, and then the next day you say, okay, I'd like to withdraw 500,000, whatever, and it's in your bank account later that day. That's pretty nice. You know, and I can see Apex trying to get there. It's just going to take them some time. Well, let's look at something else. Oh, where's the 5 minute? I'll just let that do its thing for a few minutes. What if we checked out gold or oil? Yeah, I think you're probably right. I mean, the 5 minute shows it pretty well. If you look at it and say, well, this could just be, you know, you could do something like that. And then get your flag going, right? But let's see what oil's doing, or gold. Oh, gold up 14. Ooh. Up above bear's last stand. They already hit target 1, probably heading to target 2. I don't know if it gets there today. Oil. Do I even have oil? Yeah, I do right here, I think. Oil's up almost $2. We've already passed bear target or bull target 2. Oh. That is the other option, is to, you know, if NQ is not playing, trade something else. I think I like that one better, actually. Let me switch over to, I'm going to look at my trading view and look at the daily. Yeah, just wicks. Yesterday, big wick to the downside. Today, a wick to the downside. Yes. Huh. Just some sideways. Nothing really telling. Maybe we got to wait a little, maybe for a few more earnings report to come out. Maybe that's what they're waiting for.
Earnings doesn't, I mean, we do have Tesla and stuff, but you've got some of the big names coming out next week. I think.
Yeah.
We'll go on that.
Yeah, for tech. Tesla, when's Tesla tomorrow?
I think Tesla is, Tesla is tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, Ian, that's what, that was the thought. I mean, I thought it was that we were actually going to get maybe a pullback, right, into the election. You know, I showed this chart, I think that was a 15-minute chart. So let me switch over. But if you look at the 15-minute, and then, I mean, you could call this 600 and so 700 point range, roughly. But for the last so many days, we've been stuck in this range. Yeah, and I can see IB hasn't really functioned. This day it functioned pretty well. I remember that. This one, 357. 20. Not good, not good. Nothing, not good. Not much. Oh, this one was a good one. To the downside. All right, let's see what happens. We're making a little bit of a move. If we take out the low here of 451, the 15-minute would be a short.
At this rate, you're thinking the CPR tomorrow is going to be a line.
Yeah, exactly.
So you basically just up.
All right, let's see if we can crack VWAP this time at 453, 454.
Yep.
If we close below 451, we could get a 15-minute short. NVIDIA's not really helping. NVIDIA's just sideways like everything else. So a little drop below VWAP, down to the 50% overnight low pre-market. 449.50. All right, yeah. I'm at 448.25. So 449.50. Is that candle there? 449.75. That would take it lower than this point here. And then really you got something maybe there at 445, 440. And that's what you get. All right, we dropped VWAP. See if we can get them moved down now. There we go. Okay. Bull's last stand is about 422. Going into a 5-minute buy gap, but it's already been punctured all the way through, so I would anticipate this going all the way through. Something to that nature. I'll drop my stop down a little bit just to protect, because this crazy market, never know. All right, we've just about gone through that 5-minute. Okay, we went through. This is the 1-minute opening range high, 417.75. Right about where I'm at. Actually, it's right there. Oh, come on. Keep going. Don't come back. There we go. Keep going. You can do it. Okay, so 422.75 is Bull's last stand. That's what that is. Come on, stay up. Stay down, I mean. Oh. Okay, could be a retest of the bottom control. I'll take that. Right at 449. Oh, turd. There we go. Keep going down. All right, let's go. Get down to 22.50. 22.75 would work too. All right, you can do it. Simple little trade. Let's go. You can do it. The little engine that tried. Close the gap. 436, 1 minute. Good enough. Oh. Might be a little too close. Yep. Just a little too close. That was a 5-minute gap. We're still in it. I'll try to stay on this one. Let me see, 5-minute. All right, we got a new 5-minute candle. 15-minute, looking good. We should get some power on 15-minute break if we can break 430.75, I think it is. 437, no, the low. 430.50. All right, went up to the top of the 5-minute buy gap. Rejected. This question is, does it have enough energy to come on, keep coming down? You would think so, as much as wound up as we were at the top there. Oh, maybe not. Okay, we got a buy, not a buy gap, but a gap fill on the 5-minute right at the bottom control there. So a lot of times I'll just follow this baby up, try to stay out of its way. Let's see, so if that's 449, take a couple off, 446. See if I can get up there and get it. Nope, it's going to take me there. Bummer. $48. Yeah, maybe that was it. Yep, bottom of this guy. And bounced, just like we bounced there. We could get a big bounce here. Okay, back to VWAP. That was shitty. I was wondering about that. Okay, good bounce off this guy here. 430.25, 430.50. It's actually a tick above. So technically a higher low. Okay, we got a 5-minute sell gap right there. See if we come back down through it, or we're up and away. Oh, it looks like we might be up and away. Maybe not. Okay, back above VWAP. Yeah, that sounds right. I haven't seen the calculations in a while, but that might be it. Ian. What I did is I think we had them. I think there were the toss posty pivots, and I just grabbed the math out of that.
It's really
Michael knows it.
I've got the calculations, but it's really it's based off the Camarilla pivot. So the F, I think it's the his last stand corresponds with like I think it's the S4 pivot. Let me see.
Yeah, so Ian, what I do is I have NinjaTrader. I pay CME $10 a month, whatever it is, and then I log also into Rhythmic. So I hardly ever lose connection.
S3.
S3?
Yeah.
Come on, baby, get back in that box and drop like a rock.
Sorry, S4. S4. S4, yeah.
There we go. Come on, baby. You can do it. A little further. Come on. Let's get below. We'd like to get below 433 on this candle. Let's go. 433. Nope. Take it out. Let's get below 433. You can do it. 5 seconds. Come on, let's go. Drop it like it's hot. Took one off. Going to protect mode. Come on, get on down there, bull's last stand. Oh, sucker fish. One step forward, 2 steps back. Not even having any fun, Michael.
There's nothing fun about it.
I mean, I really would like to see it come down to 380.
Now I think you gotta go below 422. That's the potential for it. Say that with caution.
Yeah, you got the 1 minute opening range at 417.25.
Yeah.
Just so noisy. What do we got here? Not much. I got not much here. Just a grind, slow grind down. All right, NVIDIA, let's see, we got 40 seconds on this, or on NQ, on this 15-minute candle, and it's going to be a green candle, looks like. Is that right? Yep, 15 minutes. Oh, no, they're dropping it down. 20 seconds. Just a grind down. 15 minutes. See what the new one comes out. I'm gonna have to get short below 24.50. I could probably make a statement. Yeah. I got a short signal. Let's see where we're at on fibs. We had the low here at 9 this morning. Let's go from the cash session. And we've ticked the 90 or 61.8. See if we can hold this 50%.
What was, hey,
Huh?
what was the close yesterday in NQ?
The close?
Yeah.
I don't know. What do we call that? Prior day. Here you go. The close. The close is going to be prior close purple. Way up here.
What was the number? Like, oh, there, got it.
Yep.
538?
538.75. So find hold daily 5 EMA, important to institution. If it fails, nice shorting opportunity. What's that number right now? The daily 5 EMA. All right, potential reversal on the 15. Get above VWAP, get above this prior wick at 460. Maybe that 61.8 was enough. Luke Quaint, what's the 5 EMA?
441, is that right?
What's that?
433. Oh, sorry, the daily. This is the daily, right?
Yeah, daily.
I was looking at the-
433, roughly. Yeah, that's all I needed. Thank you. Here, I'll just put a line there. It's going to continue to change, I think, in a minute, roughly. Mr. Potts, it's a buy. Yep, 5 minutes says it's a buy. Since you got over 445.75. Going into the 50% overnight right now. I'm testing it. Yeah. Okay, we're above VWAP. Might even take that. Oh, I didn't want to take 2 though. See if it works out for me. Yeah, good enough. Okay, probably come back and test VWAP at 453. Yeah, I would agree with that. Yep. Oh, you guys didn't see that, but I took a trade. I was on the wrong chart. The 15 just looks so much cleaner. Here you got a trend line pop. You know, VWAP would have been the better trade. Right at 53. A little late, but who cares? I'm always late. Any gaps to fill? Yeah, quite a few gaps to fill. All right, we'll just go into a little protect mode there. See if we can get people to start pumping. Get a little squeeze going. Okay, we're coming into a 5-minute sell gap right here at 68 to 72, but we've already punctured it. Already went to the top of it, so we should be able to get right through. Yep. Mr. Potts, good play. Nice little win. So, let's see if I bring this up. You could say, well, where are we going? Let's get some of this crap out of the way. Got to get above that, get above the daily pivot. We got this guy here to worry about. And then this guy here to worry about. Probably a couple along the way. Yep. We do have a gap on the 1 minute.
Yep.
We're at the daily pivot. So I'm going to tighten my stop up. Probably a little too tight, but that's okay. And bust above the pivot. Come back to retest it. See if it holds. I'll come back. There we go. Filled its little 1 minute gap. There's another one below it. Somewhere around, right around here. $462.25 stop. Okay.
It's just below the gap.
Yeah.
In 1 minute.
Yep. I see that. I'm going to hide behind the pivot. Let's see if we can make it up past this guy here. 491. Okay, coming up to another resistance right here, 491. Let's pop above that. This is my target 2 where we're at right now, which is on the 1 minute opening range, 485.50. So I'm actually going to go and hide behind that. And I'm okay with getting taken out. Prefer not to, but I'll protect. You know, that'll basically lock in 27,540. There we go. I'll lock in a little bit more. Basically just trying to safeguard against a retracement, which I'm okay with, and I would like to get back in. But I got a PA account and a couple other ones. I really don't want to give up, you know, $200, $300, $400, $500 and have my drawing deal come down and get me. All right, that was a good little play. Yep, Mr. Potts, that's good. So you should stop still at well, your target's 526. Your stop was 462. I guess he wants to stay it open. Oh, there we go. All right, I gotta stop that. Okay, so let me get rid of some of this stuff here. We got some 1 minute gaps, obviously all along here. A couple little ones of VWAP. Another one right here. And if we keep going up, I'm good with that. Obviously, I'm going to have to be, right? All right. NQ, we're up at top control now. We're getting close to it. Well, actually, what is that? 496. Oh, TradingView has their top control a little different than mine. Theirs is 496. Mine's 508 something. 508.75.
Yep, all right.
Nice. Very nice. Got a little tired on that move up, but maybe not. Okay. What time is it? Oh, we're getting close. Okay, let's look at the 5 minute. Big 5 minute gap. As soon as this candle finishes. If we come up here and pop IB, then I'm shooting for 20 and 30 points. See if we can pop above top control here. We had a hard time earlier, came above it, ripped down. Usually when I see this stuff, I always think, okay, we're going to come back above it, hopefully with some authority. Okay. So he's saying that 5 minute gap is big. Well, so far it's right there. We got 33 seconds left. And you got these little 1 minute ones right below it to help you also. All right. We should bitch TV. You still holding at, what is it, 64 or 526? 426. Oh, not 426. $462. I'm dyslexics, whatever it is. 462.25. Oh, you're going to try to hold for end of day. Okay. I wish you luck. All right. We have ES is only down 11 now. Was down 30 something, I think, at one point. YM is only down 9. NQ 23. So I should be able to see that 5-minute gap. I really don't need that box. There it is. You just barely see it, hopefully. Yep. Why am I getting allergies in fall? All right, we're trying to hold, trying to get up here to get past top control. We also would need to get above 511.75. So here's the 5-minute gap, top of it. That 489 is the top of that gap. 489.50. I think it is. Now 49. Right on the money. There we go. Could put a buy gap right there, buy sell. Or oops, no, not a buy sell. How about a buy? Yep, that's always a potential. And that gap is good size. So my little 10-point stop won't do it much. What I could do is say, well, I'm going to be here at target 2, my target 2, which is 485.50 on the 1-minute opening range. And it's also right there by a 1-minute gap. So 85.75 would get me pretty good into close to 21 EMA, so that would be all right. We'll see. Yeah, normally what I would like, what I do is say, okay, screw the trying to catch it. You know what I mean, at the top of a gap. And let's say we go to a 2 minute. This is a better move for me. I always feel more comfortable with that. So let me just put up that gap area. I mean, it's pretty big. It's not that big though. Here we go, right to there. So what I would rather do, so we just came back and retested this, right? So on a 2 minute, here I need to put another line down on my 1 minute chart, is I would rather catch it on the way up versus on the way down. So let's say it comes down here and hits 489. I'd have my buy gap or buy sell, my buy right above it, and I would actually look for a little trend change, maybe on a 2 minute or a 1 minute chart, and say I'll take it when it gets back above that. Yeah, 5 minute chart's cleaner, sure. I don't play 2 minute gaps. I only play 1 minute and 5 minutes. So this being the most for me is probably the best. You know, we could actually just come on down right to there. You'll see how it plays out. Yeah, in this case, the 2 minute and the 5 minute are the same. That is correct. And that's why I'd rather take it up here than down here, right? I mean, I could put in a buy right here at 89, but shit, that thing could tumble all the way down here to 71, right? Come down and want to touch into here. So it's like, why get stopped out? Why not just play it on the way back up, right? Yeah. That's kind of my thinking. We try to give it a little bit more clarity. There you go. And that could be all we get right there. So I think I would do this. Maybe that's all we get right there. But normally I would bring this up. It's 497. Why not let it break 500? For NQ long. So you took 4 NQ long? What's RN right now?
Right now?
Okay.
Hey.
Yep. Yep, I gotcha. Yep, I know. It's the way I trade, baby. I have no problem taking 10-point stops. I can recover from $200. It's nothing. But what's tougher for me to recover from is $1,000, right? Because I usually play ones and twos. Ones, twos, and I'll play fives periodically. But I'm okay with taking that stop right there. Just like that. Okay, so we came down and filled in that 1 minute gap. Kind of where I originally thought. Right there. What was that? 482. I'm going to get in at 88. Big difference. Okay. So now my stop will be right below that prior wick. Sealed in that 1 minute gap, filled that in. That's kind of where I thought it would come down to right there, right? Yep, that was the goal. But I wasn't real confident on it. Otherwise, I could have put my stop below it. Again, I can recover from $200, but to recover from 1,000, 2,000, it's a lot tougher to recover from. Come on, baby, let's go. Okay, still got 1.5 minutes on the 5 minute, so the 15 minutes, not looking that good. We need a quick move out and above 500. Come on, baby, let's go. 1 minute left. Gotcha. Yeah, Michael's, yesterday's, huh? Gotcha.
Yep.
You were asking for the close.
Yeah.
Yeah. I did the same thing. All right, come on, we need to push up. Don't really care for that 15-minute candle. Yeah, I used to play micros and did the same thing. Would scale out, scale in, scale out. And then one day I just switched over to the minis and there's a possibility they take me out. But that's okay. And it could be we're not done going down yet. Got to see if we can bust out above 496 right now. That would probably be the best thing. Guess we just need some patience. Come on, baby, get above. Get above 496. And then 500. There we go, come on. Oh. Now just gotta have some patience, I guess. All right, just closing the gap. Come on, get back up there. Yeah. I think gold they say for another month or something. End of November, maybe it's the end of October. Michael, you long?
No, I'm out. No, I'm out now. I did take a long, but I'm out now, man. You know, I did what I need to do.
Yeah, good for you. All right, let's get above, I don't know, something like 502, 503.
You still setting up there at the ID top, right?
Yep. My only issue is a 5-minute gap fill at 529. 529 to 532. It's a small one.
Is that time frame? Yeah, 5 minutes.
Yep. And it has, it's been touched one time. So we should be able to get to at least to the middle to the top. All right, there's the 5-minute. Yeah, that's the move we got to get above. Nice little consolidation. All right. This is like textbook play right there. Right now we just got to get him moving. Test 500. Got to get above top control CPR. $508.75. Yep, trying to get above this 502. Back test to 500 again. So what makes you get 345? What makes you say those times in like 130?
The crossing over, I think,
The what?
the IPDA, the algo,
Yeah.
the macro one.
How do you chart? How do you know those times though? You just know those times?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's just, certain times. I think they're 130.
Okay.
Because it works on like certain, I think it's like,
But you don't think the 130 is the dive. You think 130 is the pump up. Right?
yeah, that's correct.
Yep.
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Let's go. Gotcha. All right, next little area to get across there's the 511, 512 area. Well, besides this top control area, top of CPR. 0875, we're there now. Delta's looking positive. Gotcha. That's kind of what I was thinking you were saying. Oh. gotcha. Okay, just got retested a little trend line on the 1 minute. Pretty close to it. See if we can stay above that now. Back down to 5 something. I would almost think we'd get a flush here just to flush everybody out. Came right up to that top control and rejected so far. Still got 2 minutes left, so it can still push back up through. ES is down 11 and YM is down 30. Let's see what NVIDIA is doing. Anything? Not a lot, but NVIDIA is pumping up a little bit. I might get taken out here. Yeah, I'm only at 97. Let's cruise on up down to a 2-minute chart. There we go. Come on. All right. 130 on cue. Let's see if we can bust through. Live chat. How do I get that? Open panel. I don't know how to do that. I'll have to look at that. Come on, baby. Let's go. You can do it. We don't need a little flush down before you take off. Just move on up. Yeah. Come on. That's top control, top of CPR, that line right here. That's what we got to bust above. There we go. Yeah, I'd like to break that 520. I'd like to get a freaking, you know, like a 25, 30 point run. Yep. IB, initial balance. Sometimes you can get a nice pop through there. Sometimes you just get a tick across and then it retraces. That's why normally, see, I would rather just play this and I'll take profit right there at 18. That way I lock in 32, 640. Because with 10 point stop, I'll lose 400 if it comes back and gets me. Yep. Let's go, baby. And I'll just let this run on autopilot. I won't interfere, won't touch it. It is what it is. Come on, baby. There you go. Wow, what a crappy fill. So what is that? All right, I'll take that. Came right up to the 5-minute gap and rejected. Wow, what a crappy fill. 20 for like 5-point fill slippage. That's just horrendous.
Where did you get you in?
What?
Where did it get you in?
25, 25.
Wow.
I mean, just ludicrous. It's just like robbing Peter to pay Paul. All right, 5-minute gap. We need to get above 532. That's just on my PA account also. That one got in at 25. Oh, better do this. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Tighten it up a little bit. Looking for like a little 20, 30 pointer. Possibly. If it's strong, it'll stay above it. Okay, so top of that 5-minute gap at 532. If we get above that, we should cruise on. Come on, baby, get up there. Come on. Stay up now. Give me 48. Give me 45. Yeah, that's what I need. I need 45. Come on. Come on, give me 45. Let's go. I took one.
Mr. Potts said time out, right?
What's that?
Mr. Potts said time out. I look at that.
I don't know. Oh, why did he go into timeout?
I think that he's refrained from standing taxes.
Oh, fuck. Sorry about that. Look at that. Deletes all the old messages. Gosh darn it.
There you go.
Yeah. I'll take off that cap shit. There we go. There we go. Where's my clapping shit at? There we go. Let's get some sound effects going in here. You don't like that? You don't like trading, huh?
That was a great call. Good trade.
Oh, okay. Enough of that. Die. What the hell? Yeah, I can't turn it off until I shut down. It's all right. Woo. Good trades. Good trading, Mr. Potts. I just took out all your messages. Oh, I can. Oh, hold on there. Let me. Too bad I can't pin message. It'd be great if I could undo them, but I can't. All right, nice one. Waited all freaking day for something. All right, that account's up $1,794. My take profit's up $295. Yeah, we can see them.
Yeah.
Yeah, this was yesterday's high, I think it is, or maybe it was low. I don't know, 554.50. You were saying what? 561.75. Nice, good 12K day. Good for you. $554 to the tick. Oh, mine ran up to 561.25, but it was still a great call and a great play. So you're playing micros and you did 12K today? That's not bad. I have to say that's pretty damn good.
No, he's trying NQ.
Oh, he's trading NQ. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Minis. Okay. I thought you were trading. I thought you said earlier micros. Nice. Nicely done. So that's a good day. And it's a good time to stop. I did all I needed to do. Oh, and then some. Huh. That's funny. I don't know why I keep doing that. Luke Quaint, nice. Oh, you locked your account so you can't trade anymore? What software do you use? General. Let's see what I did, Michael. Uh-oh, wrong one. Did you see that? Huh?
Yep.
Oh, hold on. Okay, nice. Are you on their board? I mean, as far as top 10, top 20, top 25, anything like that? I mean, with the 12K day, you got to be up there. I don't do Top Step, so I'm not really familiar. I've just seen their channel a couple times on YouTube, and but I do know they always no, I keep it low. Yeah. No, I mean not go live, but you know, but if you had a big day, then okay. Are you doing like Replicano or Copy Trader or anything like that? Or you just play one at a time? Okay. Nice. Nice work. So we came down, had another 5-minute gap. Something to that effect.
Yeah.
We just came down and tagged it.
Down to the gap, yeah.
Yep.
3 minutes. Yeah.
Okay, I'm past my time, so this is probably going to do it for me. Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate it. Mr. Potts, Good trading. Nice work. Oh yeah, we can see. Oh no, there you go. Steven, Blue Quaint. Thanks for all your inputs. Yoko, thank you. I'm sure I'm missing some people. Ian, Donald, appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys being here. And I'll be back again tomorrow at 10:15.
Good trading.
Yep.
Good trading.
Hey, thank you.
It was amazing.
Yeah, it was a good, decent day. Good longs. Before we came on, good shorts. There's a couple good things today. All right, here's my song. I love this song, but I got to turn off my mic and everything. But you guys can keep talking. I'm gonna just say ending soon. You guys can keep chatting though. I'll leave it on for at least 5 minutes. I like the ending. I like the song. So, all right. See you guys tomorrow.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rising, let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rising, let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way.